Now, the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial has been postponed to tomorrow. The state was expected to call a third witness today, but the witness will only be arriving this afternoon. The state therefore asked for a postponement. Let's find out more about the witness from our reporter, Slindelo Masikane. Sli, of course, this postponement that we saw today, just elaborate further a bit for us why we're seeing this postponement.
Well, something that was unexpected today. I think we were all anticipating, of course, the state calling its third witness. And it seems they're saying that they've been having some challenges in terms of bringing those witnesses to court. And in particular, we were expecting testimony from what we understood to be someone who was in the house or possibly a neighbor that was going to take to the witness stand this morning. And Advocate George Baloyi for the state saying that they've had some issues with securing flights for this particular witness, and that the only flight that they could secure was this afternoon, saying that they had, of course, tried to replace that particular witness with somebody who was in Joburg, but they were also having some difficulties there. Let's take a listen to State Prosecutor George Baloyi.
Unfortunately, the case cannot proceed today for two reasons. Firstly, we're informed that the regular interpreter is unwell. We do have a standing interpreter. However, because of the other problem that I'm about to mention, my lord, that we have informed my colleagues of the situation, and we are requesting that the matter should stand down until tomorrow for the continuation of the proceedings. And my lord, the main reason is that we are now moving to the segment of the evidence of what transpired in the house. And the witness who was due to testify today, my lord, can only be here this afternoon. The state could not secure a flight for him over the weekend as they were oversubscribed. And the flight that we could arrange, my lord, is only this afternoon. We did arrange for a replacement witness, my lord, and I was informed only this morning, my lord, that that witness has asked that we should reschedule his evidence.
Sure does sound like a very important witness, Lee. I was looking forward to hearing finally the details about what happened in the house. But I'm sure the defense wasn't too happy to hear that we needed to postpone again.
Certainly not. Titi Tobane as well as Advocate Zandile Mshololo, both objecting to the postponement. In particular, Tobane saying that the state is the driver of this trial, that they should have secured the witness ahead of time, that they knew who they were going to call. Also raising issues around the fact that it's never clear, according to Tobane, who the state is going to call, and on a whim they'll just change their minds, like we see happening now, where in fact there are unreasonable delays because they have not actually been able to secure their witnesses to come to court. Advocate Mshololo also pointing out to the court that this witness who has to travel isn't the only person who can tell us what transpired on that evening or what they saw, because there are witnesses who were in the house who are actually based in Johannesburg, naming Kelu Khumalo, naming Longwe Twala, as well as Gladness Khumalo, who's Kelu Khumalo's mother, saying that the state could have secured their appearances in court. Let's take a listen.
Yes, we agree. The state is the dominus litis, my lord. However, it is unacceptable, my lord, that the court can adjourn and not proceed because of the witness coming from Durban. It is the duty of the investigating officer, my lord, to bring the witness to court, as well as all other witnesses. If there is a problem, my lord, with this one witness who is from Durban, there is a list of witnesses who are still supposed to come and testify, and they are all from Johannesburg. The state has indicated, my lord, that is moving to the area of evidence for the witnesses who were inside in the house. And all those people, they are here in Johannesburg today as we speak. That's Makumalo, that's Kelly Kumalo, that's Zandi Kumalo, that's Longwe Twala. They are all available who were inside in the house. But now we're told that the one who is from Durban is not available and the case is adjourned. My lord, that's my submission, that that kind of approach is a delaying tactics, my lord. We should use the court time in using the other witnesses who are available. And the subpoenas, my lord, I want to believe they were issued warning the witnesses for the duration of this trial. All of them, they have to be lined up outside in court. That is the duty of the investigating officer and the prosecutor who is dealing with this matter. And they are failing to do that, my lord, at the expense of the delaying in this case. Therefore, I oppose the application for the postponement, my lord.
And you have to understand what Advocate Mshololo is saying there to the judge. But Slee, am I mistaken in saying that I saw a glimpse of Senzo Meyiwa's family in court?
Yes, you did. We actually saw Senzo Meyiwa's sister as well as his cousin coming to court this morning. They sat next to AfriForum's Barry Bateman, which we know, of course, is on a watch brief for the Meyiwa family, watching this trial unfold. And we had a moment to speak to her, of course, disappointed, frustrated at this latest delay in the trial, saying that, you know, the family was really looking and anticipating that testimony from those who were in the house, saying that they in particular want to hear, in fact, from Kelly Kumalo, who was the one who had a relationship with Senzo Meyiwa. We understand the family will be here for the duration of the week, and of course we expect these proceedings to resume tomorrow morning, and hopefully the state, like they say, that the flight does land today and that we do see that third witness taking to the witness box tomorrow.